Step into the 2014 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, and power seats. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.